One of my favorite go-to meals for brunch, Yamarita egg coated yam. Let's get to cooking. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this simple, easy dish. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make yam that does not choke, okay? So this dish is basically made from boiled yam, and then you dip it in a whisked egg, and then you fry it till it's golden brown or to your taste. So you could use it with raw yam or leftover boiled yam from a previous day. That's fine. So what you want to do is peel the yam, cut it into thick slices while your water is boiling. So you cut it into thick slices like I'm doing. And then you just want to cut out any part that has like indentations or growth, or any part that doesn't look good basically. And then you just put it into the salted boiling water, and you boil it until it is soft, but not to the point where it's falling apart, because you want to be able to pick it up properly and dip it in the whisked egg while it's not falling apart. Alright, so the yam is finished cooking now. It took me under 10 minutes because the water was already boiling before I put the yam. So you just drain it and set it aside to get cold while we prepare the eggs. Alright, for the egg, after whisking the 2 eggs, you're gonna add some salt, curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, and cayenne pepper for spice. So you just whisk that together, and while the oil is heating up in the frying pan, you want to dip each slice of yam in the egg wash, and make sure to coat it well. And then you transfer the yam slice to the hot oil and let it fry until it's golden brown. I like mine golden brown until it's like crispy. But you just let it fry until, to your own satisfaction. And then once it's done frying, you remove it from the pan and drain it on paper towels. And you can serve this with pepper stew. You can serve this with egg sauce. That's my personal favorite. Or any type of stew, depending on your taste, basically. And guys, please don't forget to wash your hands. Please wash your hands before doing this, especially if you're feeding it to other people. So basically, you want to use each yam slice to grab some of the egg wash, as you can see as I'm doing. And you could also pour some of the egg wash like directly onto the yam in the pan. That's fine as well. This is my go-to, like one of my favorite types of fried yam. Like I make this all the time, if you know me. And I make this for people, and then they're skeptical at first, and then they always come back for more. Like it's so good. And honestly, no one should come for me in the comment section, but in my opinion, fried yam is better than fried plantain. So I'd rather have fried yam as a side dish than fried plantain. I can't even say it confidently. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. This is the end of the video. Let me know if you've had this before, or if this is like a regular staple in your household as well. Don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment under the comment section for your girl. And have a good one, guys.